If you've ever been told that salt is the main thing raising your blood pressure, pause and hear me out. That advice, while well-meaning, is only a small part of the story, and relying on it alone can leave you frustrated and worried. Studies show nearly half of adults with high blood pressure don't see meaningful improvement just by cutting sodium. So, what's really happening inside your body? Why does blood pressure rise even when you try your best to eat healthy? Today, I want to uncover the real causes, the hidden drivers doctors often overlook, and the steps you can start taking right now to protect your heart and overall health. Before we dive in, I invite you to join our community of people taking control of their health. Hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss future insights. And if you or a loved one struggles with blood pressure, leave a comment, we'll tackle it together. When most people hear they have high blood pressure, the first advice is almost always, cut back on salt. At first, that seems reasonable. After all, sodium can raise blood pressure. But salt is only one piece of a much larger puzzle. Studies show nearly half of adults with hypertension see little improvement from reducing sodium alone. Why? When you consume salt, it draws water into your bloodstream, temporarily raising blood pressure. In a healthy body, the kidneys respond quickly, excreting the excess sodium and water, and blood pressure returns to normal. The problem arises when the body doesn't process sodium efficiently, due to subtle kidney issues, hormonal imbalances, or metabolic factors. If your blood pressure stays high despite lowering salt, it signals that the root cause lies elsewhere, not that you've done anything wrong. Shifting focus from blame to solution empowers you to address the real drivers of blood pressure, factors your doctor can measure and manage. This understanding helps you feel in control rather than frustrated by advice that only scratches the surface. One of the most overlooked factors is magnesium. This mineral keeps blood vessels relaxed and flexible. Without enough magnesium, arteries stay constricted, making it harder for blood to flow and naturally raising blood pressure. Studies show people with lower magnesium levels have a significantly higher risk of developing hypertension. A meta-analysis of 22 studies confirmed, the lower the magnesium, the higher the odds of high blood pressure. So shockingly, nearly half of US adults don't get enough magnesium, and modern farming depletes the soil, reducing magnesium even in foods that were once rich sources. Practically, this means that eating enough foods may not meet your magnesium needs. Doctors recommend magnesium-rich foods like leafy greens, nuts, legumes, and dairy. For some, supplements can help, but always consult your physician, especially if you take medications or have kidney concerns. Supporting your body with magnesium can relax blood vessels, improve blood flow, and offer a simple, effective tool to manage blood pressure naturally. It's often overlooked, yet it can make a real difference in how your heart feels every day. Another key factor is insulin. Most think of insulin only in diabetes, but it plays a crucial role in blood pressure regulation. When insulin is chronically high, often from diets rich in sugar, refined carbs, and processed foods, your kidneys hold on to sodium. That extra sodium draws water into your bloodstream, raising blood pressure even if your salt intake hasn't changed. Patients with insulin resistance, prediabetes, or type 2 diabetes often struggle with high blood pressure for this reason. Lowering insulin can reduce blood pressure even before weight loss occurs. Fructose, the sugar in many processed foods and sweet drinks, raises uric acid, which interferes with nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels. Reduced nitric oxide stiffens vessels and makes sodium management harder. Doctors treating metabolic hypertension often see dramatic improvements simply by reducing sugar and refined carbs, sometimes before adjusting medications. The takeaway: chronic high blood pressure is often fueled by hidden metabolic forces, not just salt. Addressing insulin and sugar gives your body a chance to restore normal sodium handling and lower blood pressure naturally. Small, guided dietary adjustments can target the root cause, not just mask symptoms. Potassium is another hidden hero. It works in blood vessels and kidneys, helping relax vessels and signal the kidneys to excrete excess sodium. This lowers arterial pressure. Potassium also acts in the brain. Higher potassium in cerebrospinal fluid calms the sympathetic nervous system, the fight-or-flight response, reducing stress hormones that normally raise blood pressure. Modern diets are often low in potassium but high in sodium, creating a hidden imbalance that elevates pressure even if total salt intake seems moderate. Clinical studies consistently show increasing potassium reduces both systolic and diastolic pressure. Adding root vegetables, leafy greens, and legumes can have a powerful effect. Many of these foods also provide magnesium, giving a double benefit. Potassium directly counteracts sodium retention and helps your body relax from the inside out. Even small, consistent steps with potassium have measurable effects over time. High blood pressure rarely has a single cause. It's usually several hidden factors working together, a perfect storm. Imagine your body like an orchestra. If one section is off, the whole performance suffers. Low magnesium keeps vessels tense, high insulin makes kidneys hold sodium, low potassium prevents proper excretion, and elevated uric acid stiffens arteries. Each factor alone nudges blood pressure higher. Together, the effect multiplies. Many people cut salt, exercise a little, or try a single fix, yet see minimal improvement. Clinical observations show patients with resistant hypertension often have multiple overlapping metabolic and nutritional issues. Understanding this combination shifts focus from a quick fix to a holistic approach. Supporting magnesium, managing insulin, and increasing potassium together reduce blood pressure far more than tackling any one factor. High blood pressure isn't a personal failure. It's a signal that multiple systems need support. Recognizing this perfect storm allows informed choices and lasting control over your health. Other hidden contributors include vitamin deficiencies like D or B12, elevated homocysteine, stress, poor sleep, and endocrine disorders such as primary aldosteronism, which appears in 8 to 20% of patients resistant to standard treatment. High blood pressure often results from nutrient imbalances, lifestyle stresses, and hidden medical conditions. Early recognition is key, as stiff vessels are harder to reverse. Working with your doctor to check labs, identify deficiencies, and screen for endocrine issues can make a major difference. Managing stress, improving sleep, and addressing nutrient gaps protects your vessels and reduces long-term risks. Now let's put it all together practically. First, consider magnesium, potassium, and overall mineral intake. Include magnesium-rich foods like leafy greens, nuts, legumes, and dairy, alongside potassium-packed vegetables. Next, focus on insulin and sugar. Reducing processed carbs and sweetened drinks helps kidneys manage sodium and reduces vascular inflammation. If unsure about insulin sensitivity, ask your doctor to check fasting insulin or glucose. Stress management and good sleep are equally important. Even short daily routines like 10-minute breathing exercises, a brief walk, or consistent sleep can calm your nervous system and lower blood pressure over time. Regular checkups, lab tests, and addressing vitamin deficiencies or endocrine issues prevent long-term damage. No single action is a magic fix, but layered together, these steps create a powerful synergy that naturally normalizes blood pressure. Think of it like tuning an orchestra. Each element contributes to harmony. Addressing minerals, metabolism, stress, and lifestyle factors gives your body a real chance to restore balance. Guided by medical supervision, this approach moves you from reactive treatment to proactive prevention, protecting your heart, arteries, and long-term health. High blood pressure isn't caused by one mistake or habit. It's many hidden factors quietly adding up. Magnesium, potassium, insulin balance, uric acid, stress, sleep, and nutrient deficiencies all play a part, and the good news is each can be addressed. By understanding root causes rather than masking symptoms with medication, your body can restore balance naturally. Start with small steps. Eat mineral-rich foods, reduce added sugars, prioritize sleep, and manage stress. Work with your doctor to monitor labs and progress. Each positive choice compounds, creating a ripple effect that supports your heart, arteries, and overall well-being. Controlling blood pressure isn't about perfection. It's about consistent, informed actions that build long-term health. With knowledge, patience, and persistence, you can take meaningful control and protect your life for years to come. I hope you found this video helpful. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.